All right, folks. It's Cast Iron Wednesday. What do you say we cook something? Pretty hungry, and wife will be home from work pretty soon. So let's get something cooked so she can eat when she gets home. Okay, so we got 6 chicken thighs, 6 boneless chicken thighs, a couple eggs that I beat up, some flour that has a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. And you know what? Hang on. This is for you, buddy. This is for you, Mark. Eat carbs outdoors. I love that guy. Oh yeah, get that in there. I'll mix that around for a second. Okay, so now we're ready. Then you got our oil going, and over there we have some rice. As soon as that boils up, we're going to put a lid on it and take it all the way down to a simmer until the water disappears. Oh yeah, baby, I love me some fried chicken. Alright, so grab us a piece of chicken. Oh yeah. And get this pan filled up, and we'll come back. Oh yeah, 3 pieces of chicken cooking up. And when those are done, we're going to fill the pan back up. Meantime, rice is boiling. Get a lid, and we'll cover that up. Alright, so there that goes. And we're going to let that simmer until all that damn water's gone. Oh yeah, look at that chicken cooking nicely. And up here in the microwave, we got veggies. Don't have nothing fancy like no vegetable steamer or anything like that, but we do just fine. Alright, last piece of chicken going in. And we have some little niblet pieces for the dogs here, some little chunks. That'll be their little taste test for of the chicken. The other pieces are for humans. And maybe I'll give one of them little chunks of that stupid bird too. Well, there's dinner. Fried chicken, rice, and vegetables. You guys didn't think I made vegetables, did you? Well, I do. Just not all the time. Most of the time they're out of a can. Sit! Oh, she missed it. Sit! Oh, she's sitting pretty. Got my big girl. Go ahead, Gretchen. Good girl. You ready for this, Waylon? Oh, he's already sitting too. You guys like it? Huh? You like it? Looking for more. You ain't getting no more. Want this, you asshole? Yeah, take that. I'm gonna stick my fingers in there. Screw that. Alright, well that's another one in the books. Nothing but full bellies and yawning going on in that house. So I'd say it was a success. Anyway, I guess that's it for this one. I want you guys to go check out my buddy Sean over there at Shovelhead 8. Mark at Eat Carbs Outdoors. Both really great channels. and D from Native Tears. D's the one that started Cast Iron Wednesdays, and there's a playlist over there somewhere. Mark knows where it's at. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys aren't subscribed to this channel, please do so. We'd love to have you around and watch our crazy ass videos. All right, guys, take it easy. Thanks for watching.